This is why your Honda HR-V's air conditioner might be failing. Stay tuned to get it back to icy cold. First off, check the refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant is a common culprit. Without enough refrigerant, your AC can't cool the air. Next, inspect the AC compressor. If it's damaged or not engaging, it won't circulate the refrigerant. Listen for clicking sounds when you turn on the AC. No clicks? Your compressor might be the issue. Now have a look at the condenser. Located at the front of your car, it can get blocked by dirt and debris. A clogged condenser means poor airflow and less cooling. Don't forget to check the cabin air filter. If it's dirty or clogged, it reduces airflow inside your car. Clean or replace it to ensure maximum cooling efficiency. Lastly, check the blend door actuator. This little device controls the mix of hot and cold air. If it's stuck or broken, you're not getting the right temperature. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent most of these issues. If your AC is still acting up, it's time to visit a professional. Stay cool and keep your Honda HR-V chill all summer long.